In a quiet village lived two dear friends, Majj and Tapha. They had walked side by side through childhood, through laughter, through every season of their lives. One evening, beneath a fading sunset, Tapha gently placed his hand on Majj's shoulder. "The road calls to me," he said softly. "Be well always, my friend." Majj's eyes filled, but he smiled through his tears. "Then let this moment be enough. We have shared 1,000 days. I will carry them all." They stood in silence as the sky darkened, their hands held in a firm handshake, their hearts full. No promises, no pleas, just gratitude. When Tapha finally turned to go, Majj whispered, "Goodbye." And though the word ached, it was also a blessing, for it held all the fond memories of a lifetime long past. From that day on, Majj carried the memory not as sorrow, but as warmth, for he knew a true goodbye does not equal finality, but the gentle closing of a chapter already written.